Alrighty, what's going on today, you guys? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the PUR Luv Healthy Support Hearty Chew Bones. These are 26 ounces. This is the actual weight of the packaging. It's a 26 ounce version of this. I think they come in, I think, either bigger ones or smaller. They come in bigger bones, but I think they're smaller packaging. So this one, yeah, it's basically the smaller ones, the mini ones for smaller dogs. They're mini dog treats. Really like to get these for our pup. These are the chicken and rice flavor, but I think there are a pretty wide array of other flavors, I think from pork to beef and beyond. But I've always gotten the brown rice and chicken ones. He really likes those. Our dog before really liked these, so we've kind of just stuck with them all along. What I love about these treats, I think, more than anything, is that not only does he really like them, I think, for the taste and the texture, but also they're very abrasive feeling, making them great for his teeth. I'll bust this open right now and kind of get a good idea of what they look like. This is one in action. So as you can see, they're pretty small. These are, again, the mini ones. These are for smaller dogs. Our dog is a Dachshund Chihuahua mix, so they're really the perfect size for him. And weirdly enough, it'll usually take him about 2 days or so to actually get through one of these things, just because they are so abrasive. But the cool thing about them being abrasive and being hard is that, not only can he eat them, but also they double as like a dental health sort of tool or apparatus, I guess you could say. So really great at making sure that his breath stays fresh and that his teeth stay clean or whatever, and it can kind of just clean out anything that might be left in there or whatever. I'll put that back in. You do get quite a bit in here as well. So you're not going to be, there's probably like 20 something in here. You're not going to be running out anytime soon, which is great. These are all made with natural ingredients too, as you can see. No artificial colors or flavors on them. You can go to the back and it'll tell you everything that's in there. So, a lot of proteins, fat. You get the omega fatty acids, which is really good. They're a little bit high in calories, but that's cool. Just don't feed your dog too many of them. And then, it'll kind of tell you which is cool right here. It kind of says, give them to as a reward or as a treat. This is not something you're going to want to be feeding your dog a lot. Really just, for rewards and things like that. That's where these come in handy. I take them too because they're not rawhide, which, we used to give our dog rawhide. Wasn't too well with the stomach, didn't sit too well with the stomach. And I know for a lot of dogs, rawhide doesn't sit well. Lots of people have actually started giving up rawhide for their dogs because of that. It's just not really that great for them. But yeah, it made him throw up, so we stopped doing that. We kind of moved over to these, which are great. I love that they don't give him bad breath either, or make him have any sorts of digestive issues. These have always been, again, they're just very natural, been very hearty, very organic, just really great overall for a number of reasons. The actual packaging on here is really nice too, which I really dig about this. It seals up nicely, so you can keep everything fresh. Again, you can see you have this sealant at the top. It's even hard to get open with one hand, so I'm going to show. You have that fresh, kind of like aluminum almost stuff inside, and that basically keeps everything really nice and fresh in there. Seals up easily, and they're also made in the USA, which is nice. So yeah, overall it's very slim, very portable. Something you can definitely take with you on the go. We're going to Arizona in a week, and we're going to take him with us. And so being able to bring these along, slide them into his bag. It's only a couple pounds, so we don't have to worry. Not even a couple pounds actually. So we don't have to worry about it being too much. Great thing about these though is they will last a while. Depending on how much you give them, because typically a dog won't finish these in any less than a day, so you're really good in that aspect. They're definitely a good little investment to make in terms of treats. Yeah. Anyway, really love these. Check them out. They're the PUR Luv Mini Hearty Bones. Again, these are brown rice and chicken recipe. Yeah, these are great little dog treats. Alrighty, guys, take it easy.